to us, hundredths and tenths of a second is a lot.
You're in the heat of the moment, you're filled with adrenaline, there's like sweat coming into your eyes, and once you've stopped on your marks, it's out of your control. You're waiting for the mechanics and they've got 2 seconds to do it.
It's important to have tools that don't let you down because these things have massive implications on the circuit.
You definitely need to be tough.
Of course you do. It's an incredibly high pressure environment.
And there's a lot of people wanting to be where you are.
The toughest is,
the timelines are tough.
I destroy them.
how can you keep yourself under control?
I made it down the coast in 17 hours. That was good.
Should we do that one again?
Right, let's give it a go. I need like a microphone here though.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Best thing about Formula One racing is the unpredictability of it.
I was on to score my first ever win in Formula One. I scored my first pole position.
Lando was going to win that race.
The rain came very aggressively.
There you got to make these crucial decisions on whether to pit or not.
Getting caught out on the wrong tyres is...
It was the risk that we took.
We had a 50-50 call on whether we were going to get the strategy right.
To be so close, to do it in the way I almost did it.
That was a huge learning opportunity.
What did you think I was going to say?
It was tough. I was crying a little bit.
Human touch helps. Just on the shoulder though.
Just there. Oh no.
We win as a team and we lose as a team.
It was obviously evident that we'd learnt from that. Monza really inspired confidence in everyone.
A perfectly executed race by Daniel and Lando.
Winning a race and being the first one too.
Couldn't have gone much better than that, really.
No other team did that year.
Powerful. I felt powerful.
To see your car leave the garage and get all the way around the track and win, it is the best feeling.
Being on the podium is just awesome.
You always want more. You always want more. I'm the guy behind the wheel, but it's not just me making it happen. Melanie, if you're listening to this, keep up the good work.
Back here, back at the factory, there's so many people that contribute to it.
700 people working together to design, manufacture, build and deliver the car.
And we're very passionate about what we do.
The tools spend more time working on the car than I do driving the car.
Knowing that that's what puts your car together gives me a lot of confidence and makes me drive fast.
Tough. Together.